In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your domain transfers using Hostinger's hPanel. Let's make this process as smooth as possible by walking through each step together. First things first, you'll want to head over to the Hostinger homepage. This is your central hub where all the magic happens. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't already. Hostinger's interface is really user-friendly, which is fantastic for both beginners and seasoned pros alike. Once you're on the home page, it's time to navigate to the Domains section. You'll find it on the left-hand sidebar. Simply click on Domains, and you'll be directed to a new page dedicated to managing everything related to your domains. This is your one-stop shop for seeing all the domains associated with your account. Now, let's move on to the main task, which is accessing and managing your domain transfers. In the Domains section, look for the option labeled Transfers. Click on it and you'll be taken to a specialized page for handling domain transfers. This particular section is crucial if you're planning on transferring a domain to or from Hostinger. It's streamlined for effectiveness and simplicity, just what you need to ensure everything goes smoothly. At this point, it's a good idea to double-check that you're in the right section. You should see options related to initiating a transfer, checking transfer status, and even accessing additional help if needed. This is where you can track your domain transfer process from start to finish. It's straightforward, but if you ever feel stuck, don't hesitate to click on the Help button or consult Hostinger's support resources. They've got a ton of great information to help guide you through any issues. Keep in mind, when transferring domains, there are specific codes and confirmations that you may need, which you usually obtain from your current domain provider. Having this information ready will make the process far less stressful. Remember, Hostinger's system will guide you through each part, providing prompts and tips exactly when you need them. This means you'll have a guided experience with plenty of on-screen support to help you along the way. And that's it. Just a few simple clicks and you're well on your way to managing your domain transfers with confidence. With a bit of practice, navigating Hostinger's hPanel will become second nature, allowing you to handle not only transfers, but a host of other features and tools designed to make your web experience effortless. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Be sure to hit the like button if you did, and subscribe for more tutorials to help you navigate the ever-changing world of web hosting and development. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.